Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to connect PDF file through Power BI. Let's begin. So this is my BI Power BI desktop. I am going to here in Get Data and then More option. So it's opening that file. Okay. From More we can come to File and then PDF, and after that connect PDF. So now I am going to browse my PDF file where I kept. So I am browsing that file and now see, now I browse it, now it's came, but then we know like in the PDF we have the multiple kind of the data, like for example some textual description, sometimes chart, graph, tabular form. So and which page we have the data, that also we can check here. So just I'm going to see in first page little bit data, I do not want that data. Second page data, this is also not that much relevant. Then I will go in third page, this looks relevant. Again I will try fourth page. What is the fourth page? Fourth page is also something, some data is there. Then I have to check like which page we require data. So I know that I require third page, number third. So I'm just going to take data from first page and then loading the data. And since this is a PDF data, so we require cleanup also. So now see, we loaded the data, but then data is not coming in the proper way, like it is coming column 1 2 3. It is not coming like what is the name of that column, etc. So for that we have to clean. So for that, come to transform data, and then we can check like any blank or anything is there that is not workable. That part I am just going to delete from here. So that, like for example this column I do not want, so I will highlight this column and then come to remove column. Okay, so that column removed. Now we can check like if any row, whole row is blank or not. If in my scenario nothing is there, but still if you have, then in that scenario what we have to do, come to remove row and then remove blank row. Okay, so that things also that cleaned our data. Now we have to do like this is the header. So first row change as a header. So come to here, use first row as a header. So click on here. Now see, we can see here first row came as a header. So now after that what we have to do, close and apply. See, now we are able to see the column name. A part of that also, two column we are not able to see in the proper column name. In that scenario, because in data itself nothing was there, then in that scenario what we have to do in our business, whatever required, rename that column according to our business. So that's all for today video. Catch you in next video. Please like and subscribe my video.